In the realm of outdoor aesthetics and functionality, landscape task lighting stands as an essential element that often goes unnoticed. However, this video shed light on the significance of outdoor task lighting. We will introduce its definition, delve into the importance it holds for your outside space, weigh the advantages and disadvantages, discuss best practices for installation, and showcase real-life design inspirations. Landscape task lighting is a type of lighting that strives to provide focused and concentrated lighting in determined outside areas dedicated to specific tasks or activities. The capacity of outdoor task lighting to deliver bright and direct light, effectively reducing shadows and glare, sets it apart. This lighting configuration allows people to accomplish jobs with clarity and precision, assuring peak performance and productivity. Landscape task lighting serves a specific purpose, providing focused illumination for performing activities or enhancing visibility in targeted areas. One of the primary roles of landscape task lighting is to enhance the visual appeal of your outdoor space. Well-placed lights can create captivating effects, highlighting architectural features, trees, pathways, and other focal points. It's like adding a touch of enchantment to your garden or yard, making it captivating even after sunset. Safety should always be a top priority in your outdoor environment. Landscape task lighting ensures that your space is safe for residents and guests during the evening hours. Lighting pathways, stairs, and potential hazards help prevent accidents and injuries, creating a secure atmosphere. Without adequate lighting, your outdoor space might become dormant once the sun goes down. Landscape task lighting extends the usability of your outdoor oasis well into the night. Whether you're hosting a gathering, enjoying a quiet evening, or simply navigating your property, the proper lighting sets the mood and provides functionality. Landscape task lighting allows for complete customization, enabling you to tailor the lighting to your specific needs and preferences, enhancing the unique features of your outdoor space. Well-lit exteriors act as a deterrent to potential intruders, providing an additional layer of security for your property and peace of mind for you and your family. On the other hand, improperly designed lighting can contribute to light pollution, affecting the night sky and potentially disturbing local wildlife and neighboring properties. High-quality landscape lighting fixtures and professional installation can be relatively expensive, requiring an upfront investment. Professionally designed landscape lighting can significantly boost your property's curb appeal and overall value, making it a worthwhile investment. With the advent of LED technology, landscape lighting can be energy efficient, reducing electricity bills and minimizing environmental footprint. Regular maintenance is necessary to ensure that fixtures remain in good working condition, which may require time and effort. Best practices for landscape task lighting include the following. Begin by conducting a thorough assessment of your outdoor space. Identify key areas that require lighting, including pathways, seating areas, focal points, and potential safety hazards. Determine your lighting budget and goals, whether they are for ambience, security, or a combination of both. Selecting the right fixtures is paramount to achieving your desired lighting effects. Desk lamps, portable lamps, floor lamps, LED spotlights, pendant lights, path lights, adjustable wall-mounted fixtures, solar-powered lights, compact post lights, and floodlights are all options available. Consider fixture style, finish, durability, and energy efficiency. The success of your landscape task lighting project hinges on thoughtful design. Create a comprehensive lighting plan that outlines the placement of each fixture. Pay careful attention to spacing, angles, and the overall visual effect you wish to achieve. Experimenting with shadows and contrast can add depth and character to your design. Proper installation and wiring are crucial for the safety and functionality of your lighting system. If you are unfamiliar with electrical work, it is best to hire a professional. Concealing wiring whenever possible helps maintain the aesthetic integrity of your outdoor space. Regular maintenance is essential for keeping your landscape lighting shining brightly. Perform routine cleaning, inspect the wiring for wear and tear, and promptly replace burnt-out bulbs. Consider switching to energy-saving LED bulbs for long-term sustainability and cost savings. Let's explore some real-life landscape task lighting designs that exemplify the beauty and functionality of outdoor lighting. Imagine a meandering garden path, softly lighted by discrete post lights and ground-mounted fixtures. These fixtures cast a gentle, inviting glow along the walkway, guiding you through the garden's enchanting twists and turns. Pathway lighting ensures safe navigation while accentuating the beauty of your landscape. To enhance safety and aesthetics, consider deck and step lighting. These fixtures are typically installed on decks, stairs, and other elevated surfaces, providing low-level illumination. Picture a romantic outdoor alfresco dinner under the stars, lighted by the soft glow of pendant lights suspended from a pergola. These fixtures not only provide functional lighting, but also add an inviting ambience to your outdoor dining area. Floodlights are ideal for lighting larger areas, such as outdoor seating areas, sports courts, or the entire facade of your home. They provide broad, powerful illumination. Landscape task lighting goes far beyond its practical purposes. It transforms your outdoor space into a captivating, functional, and secure environment. With careful planning, appropriate fixture selection, proper installation, and regular maintenance, you can enjoy the benefits of outdoor task lighting for years to come. Whether you aim to create a mesmerizing ambience, bolster security, or simply extend the usability of your outdoor space, landscape task lighting is the key to unlocking the full potential of your outside oasis. Illuminate your surroundings and experience the magic of outdoor living, even after the sun sets. It's time to turn your outdoor dreams into a beautifully lit reality.